was before. Just look into the light when we pass the storm. I'm only being me, I ain't acting hard. I do it for my people, I ain't rapping bars. I mean it from the core when I speak these words. Oromia, we must emerge. All's up in my heart, so I trust it first. If you don't have belief on this corrupted earth, you live then you die buried under the dirt. In the time that you have, gotta figure your worth. So I figured if I put a couple words together, inspirate the folk till we get together. Put away the pride, we can make it better. Just look into the sky, we can change the weather. All we need to be free. Oromia Biatia. See what I see.
My country, my pride, my heritage, Oromia. Oromia, my pride and heritage, that green stunning country, a land full of plains and rugged mountain ranges.
Oromia, my pride, my heritage, the center of my heart, my country, her serene blue sky, and when she's sick at heart, we see her cattle die.
But then the grey clouds fold, and we can be blessed again, with the drumming of an army and the steady soaking rain.
The origin of Gada, the source of coffee, the country where the soil is soaked with the blood of our army.
Over the avid compounds, watch after many days, the hazy blanket of innocence that stiffens as we stare.
A fresh, extravagant land, all you have who have not loved her, you will not understand. The earth clutches various aspects. Whenever I may die, I know to what stunning country my restful thoughts will fly.
Peace, freedom, for our country Oromia. We hope to see the misery of our people end. Oromia, my country, my heritage, my pride. I love Oromia, I love Australia.
Duraan dursee maqaan kiyya Saamiyaa jedhama. Oromoo ta'uu kiyyaan baay'een boona. Afaan Oromoo haasa'uu kiyyaanis baay'een itti gammada. Kanaan kaasee walaloo gabaabduu qaba. Akka san abdiin qaba. Mata dureen walaloo afaan Oromoodha. Yaa afaan Oromoo afaan hunda caalu maqaa dha'uufillee kan namatti tolu waan tokkollee hin qabu kan hin si madaalu. Afaan Oromoodhaan cimee haa daraaru. Afaan Oromoodhaan cimee haa daraaru. Afaan hiddi cimaa kan yoomuun xooloyne dhalootaa dhalootatti akka hin dagamne leellisee dagaagee mul'atee daraaree qilleensa samiidhaa keessallee bararee afaan caala hundaa ta'uusaa hubannee ittiin cimnee boonuu namuutu akka hin dagamne ittiin cimnee boonuu namuutu akka hin dagamne.
We are Oromo Australians. Some Oromos were born here, some have come from Oromia and call Australia home. Regardless, we are all Australians.
We love living here. The weather is quite similar to back home, particularly in the summer, because in Oromia it doesn't get really cold like it does here.
The Australian government is caring and accommodating. As Oromo migrants, we appreciate the recognition and acknowledgement we receive from the government.
For many years, the Oromo language and culture were denied and not taught to our people by previous Ethiopian government. But the Oromo people fought back and have been able to preserve and expand the Oromo culture and language in Oromia and in diaspora countries.
Australia has given us the opportunity we never had in our own country. We share our Oromo culture in Australia, such as Oromo Community Festival. We have Oromo Radio, Oromo businesses, and etc.
As Australian-born Oromos, we are in touch with our roots and empathize with our families and communities in the struggles and hardships they faced.
We wish to see Oromia free. We have a place in multicultural Australia, and we are proud to call ourselves Oromo Australian and call Australia home.
We both arrived here
last year,
and we love you all.
Free Oromia!
right as it was before. Just look into the light when we pass the storm. I'm only being me, I ain't acting hard. I do it for my people, I ain't rapping bars. I mean it from the core when I speak these words. Oromia, we must emerge. All's up in my heart, so I trust it first. If you don't have belief on this corrupted earth, you live then you die, buried under the dirt. In the time that you have, gotta figure your worth. So I figured if I put a couple words together, inspire the folk till we get together. Put away the pride, we can make it better. Just look into the sky, we can change the weather. All we need to be free. Oromia, be a tia. See what I see.